Hi, Michael.
Hi.
We are going to make a volcano, an explosion with stuff that you probably already have from your house. What do you think is going to happen?
It's gonna
Explode?
Yeah.
Like a volcano?
Yeah.
Okay, we have a bottom base here. It's just like a plastic Tupperware. We have a little mason jar, 3 tablespoons of baking soda inside. Now let's add some glitter. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of glitter. Or maybe a little bit more, that's okay. You think this time it's gonna explode?
I think so.
All right, some food dye, food coloring. Okay. And
That's mine.
the secret ingredient is
Water.
vinegar. It looks like water, but it's vinegar. A half a cup. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, count me down.
1,
2, 3, go!
go.
It exploded! Whoa, it's like a volcano!
We need some more.
How cool was that?
Yeah, we need a little bit more.
More?
Yeah.
That was awesome!
We need a little bit more.
Ready? Count me down.
1.
1.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, you do it.
1, 2, 3,
Go!
go.
Ready? Whoa!
Mommy, is this or
Hi,
not?
Michael. Yeah. So today we're doing a science experiment. We are going to do tie-dye rainbow swirls. Does that
What?
sound like fun?
What was that?
Rainbow swirls.
Rainbow?
Have you ever heard of that? Nope. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have a glass dish. Be very, very careful. What is that inside? Milk.
Yeah. Yellow.
Yellow. And what color is this?
Green.
Green.
And that's black.
And what color is this?
Blue.
Blue.
That's black.
And what color is this?
Red.
Red.
That's really crazy.
That is crazy. Now, ready for some magic? Okay, now in a little glass dish, you have just some dish soap.
Just so.
And with a Q-tip, you're gonna get some of the dish soap and see what happens when you try to move the colors around. Move the color, slow, slow. So I think we put too much milk in the other one. So Mommy got a smaller dish with a very thin layer of milk. And watch really closely what happens to the colors when you put the dish soap near the food coloring.
You're really good at that.
Hold on.
I got you some more.
Dip your Q-tip in the soap. Do another one. Make a rainbow.
Yeah.
All done. was pretty cool, right?
Yeah, this is pretty cool. I like it.
No.
I love it.